Hanging storage hacks to get your home super organized. Coats, hats, umbrellas. Bulky and oddly shaped items like these eat up closet space. Luckily, you can transform any blank wall into helpful hanging storage using coat knobs. You can even create an interesting design feature by scattering the knobs across a wall instead of aligning them. Most types require a drill for installation, but what if you live in a rental where drilling into walls is a no-no? Try peel and stick knobs, such as the colorful Lashon hangers from IKEA. Grid panels are typically used to create store product displays. At home, you can use them to store pretty much anything you can hang, such as tools and shoes. Many office supply and hardware stores sell grid panels, and they come in a variety of sizes and colors ready for your DIY touch. If mugs are cluttering your cupboards, it's time to try a hanging storage idea that can put your favorites on display. This wall-mounted solution not only frees up cabinet space, but it also dresses up a dull kitchen wall. Simply attach small hooks that will go around the handle of a mug to a piece of wood, spacing them according to your mug sizes, and mount the wood to the wall at a height where you still can reach the mugs. Mandy Johnson from A Beautiful Mess created this simple yet efficient wire utensil rack using a piece of inexpensive wire mesh rebar that's found in the concrete section of most hardware stores. After cutting it to size and protecting the raw steel from rust with a bare metal primer, she painted it to her color of choice. Then, she securely mounted it above her stove and used S-hooks to hang spoons, colanders, and other cooking utensils. No wildlife was harmed in designer Andreas Scheiger's take on an animal trophy wall. Scheiger used old bicycle parts, specifically the seat and handlebars, to form what looks like a head and antlers attached to a wooden plate. The result is a sturdy wall-mounted unit that has plenty of hanging capacity for jackets, bags, umbrellas, and even bikes. Elizabeth from Elizabeth Joan Designs created this pegboard storage board to clean out her messy utensil drawer. She simply purchased pegboard and hooks from a hardware store, hung it in an easily accessible spot in her kitchen, and arranged her utensils in a decorative but functional design. Now, she no longer has to go drawer diving to find her favorite kitchen tools. The IKEA Trones shoe cabinet is an insanely affordable storage solution that's both practical and pretty. Although the cabinets were designed to store shoes, they can be hung anywhere in your home for convenient small storage. Their narrow depth makes them especially suitable to tap the storage potential in tight areas, such as a bathroom or hallway. Shoes somehow always seem to find their way into a big, messy pile at the door, but there's no reason they can't be stored vertically. This DIY dowel shelving looks like an artsy piece of furniture, yet it's a practical way to get your shoes off the floor. It's easy and inexpensive to make, and it can be customized to your space and storage needs. Bulky furniture can make a small room feel overloaded, but that's not the case with this wall-mounted Billy bookcase hack. These IKEA hackers mounted their Billy bookcases to steel L brackets on a wall several inches above the floor. It gives their room a much more airy feel, and it makes cleaning under the furniture a breeze. Handmade projects come with significant bragging rights, and no one has to know how easy they were to put together. This no-sew wall pocket can help organize those important papers that clutter your desk by taking advantage of vertical storage space. The project is easy enough for a beginning crafter, yet it looks super stylish. This DIY wall storage solution uses a slatted wood bed base from IKEA. The inexpensive bed base is simply wood connected with fabric, so it can easily be cut to fit your space. Then, mount it to your wall, and use S-hooks to hang baskets and other items for storage. You even can use it to hang small planters for a vertical indoor garden. Not enough storage in your builder-grade tub? A tension shower curtain rod can be an easy and economical solution to create some hanging storage space for all your bath products. Dawn from Dawn Nicole Designs installed a shower curtain rod in the back of her shower and used shower curtain hooks to hang loofahs, a basket of children's bath toys, and more. The rod also is useful to hang washcloths, wet swimsuits, and anything else that needs to drip dry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.